Now this is time to also install material UI. Okay, next. So install material UI, and then you have to run the command. So you have to go to the MUI, and this is here MUI installations, and then install. Okay, install material UI, the world most popular React UI framework. So just copy this command, and then here mhm, it is running here. So I'm going to terminate. Okay, and then make sure that inside my app you have to install this. Got it? npm install at the rate MUI materials at the rate emotion react at the rate emotion styles. Okay, then also we will install the material UI icons. npm install MUI materials. Okay, this package will help us create a modern Instagram user interface. Here, this is icon I'm talking about. This is your icon material. This command you have to again copy paste. Make sure it inside my app. Okay, my app npm install, because you know in the here this is your main project. I have inside my app folder. This is okay, so that's why you have to go inside my app and then install all that. Then after that we will install MongoDB. Now you see it is ready to use. We have what? We have materials and its icon. So let me verify that inside your application. It is very simple to verify that here everything. And how, inside the package.json file you have to first verify. You see here what we have: materials, icon, then styles, React. Got it? And then let us React over the Next.js. Okay, so it is fine. Here inside it I'm going to verify that, and then here component, let me verify the button it's work or not inside your projects. So expand code, and then let me import inside your project, because we installed that everything. Here no need of this styles, and then I'm going to remove all this unnecessary thing. Okay, no enough classes, no enough in this class. Inside it, paste it. Okay, not here on the top. And then I want to just verify that it's work or not, because in this component it is a much popular React UI. Okay, this will provide us a ready-made component for the buttons or many things. You see here: text field, switch, slider, chip, divider, icons, badge, list, materials, icons, and then reload. Okay, I know that. Here you have to start your dev server. Here npm run this. Okay. So this is what happened, guys, because server and HTML did not match with client and HTML. HTML here. Okay, so let here you to remove here active client. Make sure that it is render on the client side, and you see it is next contained outline. So it is totally fine and it is working. So I'm going to use another. This is a colorful. So copy this. You see here now colorful buttons. Let me remove the old component, paste it, and then we have success here buttons, and we have here secondary success here. So now we have successfully set up your material UI design. Okay, now the next part about here. Okay, next part about MongoDB here. Installing MongoDB Compass. Download and install MongoDB Compass. Okay, MongoDB Compass is a graphical interface that allows us to view and manage our MongoDB database visually. After installation, open Compass and make sure it launches successfully. We have already installed MongoDB Compass, so I'm not going to install. You see here that look like this here MongoDB Compass, this one. So let me search here MongoDB Compass. You see automatically suggestions. You see MongoDB Compass download GUI. You have to download it. Okay, it is a very simple process, not a big deal here to install it. you see here MongoDB compass download. Just here whatever you have, that just keep as it is, everything default, and just download. Got it? So we go everything. Also we have to download MongoDB. Just here MongoDB download. Here go to the MongoDB community server download, and then this is here current version Windows 6 MSI. Okay, here you have to choose your MSI version, just a default version whatever you have. So you have to download and then install. Okay, and after installations you have to verify that we have already MongoDB, so that's why I'm not going to install. And I think it is 700 MB. Okay, so you have to install in your system if you don't have this MongoDB. So okay, I'm going to again verify the toilet. So this one here inside it, this one open new prompt. So inside it here you have to verify that. It is very simple to open the terminal and run the command MongoDB space address version. So here right, it is a MongoDB space version, and you see something like that, it means it is fine and it is working here. Okay, so it is verification. You should see output like this DB version, this one's. Okay, then you have to install MongoDB server. If MongoDB is installed locally, start the server. In my case, it is always running here. Just you have to write what MongoDB. It is Mongo. It means it is running here. Okay, that is here. Everything is going well. If you see something like that. Okay, and then about compass, you see we have already compass in my system. This is MongoDB compass. So you see how it's look like. Okay, you see this is MongoDB compass. Okay, connect, and then you will see your database here. Okay, this is a graphical user interface for your database. Okay, settings. So now it is fine. It is about MongoDB, and then MongoDB compass. Okay, so then after what we have to do next, about we have verify materials UI, Node.js, MongoDB compass. So now what we will build in this course, we will implement user authentications, Next.js middlewares. Okay, JWT authentications, user profile, create post, image upload, like system comment, system follow, unfollow user, protected root, responsive design, MongoDB database, video call, audio call, chatting system, commenting systems. Okay, and we will implement search. Okay, search functionality also in this project. So now we have our conclusions. Our development environment is now fully configured. We have successfully installed everything: Node.js, Next.js, Material UI, MongoDB. Okay, then MongoDB compass. In the next lecture, we will create in the folder structure and start building the Instagram user interface from the scratch. And we will also set up environment variables. Okay, and first we will create the register page. Got it? So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.